Hello everyone and welcome to our first session on ReactJS, JSX. Introduction to JSX. JSX, which stands for JavaScript Syntax Extension, is a syntax extension for JavaScript that is used with React to describe what the UI should look like. It allows developers to write HTML-like code within JavaScript, making the code more readable and expressive. JSX is one of the key features that makes React easy to use and powerful, as it provides a clear and concise way to structure component renderings. Advantages of JSX: readability and maintainability. Clear structure. JSX provides a clear structure for your UI, making it easier to understand and maintain. The code closely resembles HTML, which is familiar to most developers. Embedded JavaScript. You can embed JavaScript expressions directly within JSX using curly braces, allowing for dynamic and interactive UIs. Efficiency. Virtual DOM optimization. JSX is compiled into JavaScript functions that create React elements. This compilation process optimizes the code for the virtual DOM, ensuring efficient updates and rendering. Compile time checks. JSX undergoes compile time checks, which help catch errors early and improve the overall reliability of the application. Integration. Combining logic and markup. With JSX, you can combine the logic or JavaScript and the markup or HTML in a single file. This approach keeps related code together, making it easier to manage and understand. Using JSX. Let's look at an example to understand how JSX works. In this example, elements is a JSX element representing an h1 HTML tag with the text "Hello World." Embedding JavaScript expressions. Here, the JavaScript variable name is embedded within the JSX element using curly braces. This results in an h1 element that dynamically displays "Hello John Doe." Attributes in JSX. JSX allows you to specify attributes using a syntax similar to HTML. In this case, an img element is created with src and alt attributes. Conditional rendering. JavaScript expressions including conditional or ternary operators can be used within JSX to conditionally render elements. Styling in JSX. In JSX, inline styles are specified as JavaScript objects. The style attribute accepts an object with camel-cased property names. Advanced JSX concepts. JSX as function calls. Under the hood, JSX is transformed into JavaScript function calls. For example, const element equal to h1 hello world bar h1 is transformed into const element equal to react.create element h1, null, hello world. This transformation allows React to create and manage elements efficiently. Advanced JSX concepts. JSX fragments. JSX fragments allow you to group a list of children without adding extra nodes to the DOM. The fragment component syntax creates a fragment that wraps multiple elements. Advanced JSX concepts. Component composition. JSX is used extensively in React to compose components. Components can be thought of as custom, reusable HTML elements, and JSX makes it easy to nest and manage them. In this example, the welcome component is used multiple times within the app component, each with a different name prop. One of the powerful features of JSX is the ability to embed JavaScript expressions directly within your markup. Let's see this in action. We'll modify our app component to include a dynamic greeting. In this example, we define a constant name and embed it with the P element using curly braces. Save the file and you'll see Hello React Developer displayed in your browser. JSX allows you to specify attributes using a syntax similar to HTML. Let's add an image to our component. We'll include an img element with src and alt attributes. Make sure you have an image named logo.png in your public folder. Save the file and the image should appear in your browser. JSX also supports conditional rendering, allowing you to render different elements based on certain conditions. Let's add a simple condition to our component. Here, we use a ternary operator to conditionally render a message based on the value of is logged in. Save the file and you'll see welcome back displayed because is logged in is set to true. Finally, let's add some inline styles to a component. In JSX, styles are specified as JavaScript objects with camel-cased property names. We have defined a heading style object and applied it to the h1 element using the style attribute. Save the file and you'll see the heading text style with a blue color and a larger font size. Conclusion: JSX is a powerful feature of React that enhances the readability and maintainability of your code. By allowing you to write HTML-like syntax within JavaScript, it simplifies the process of creating and managing UI components. The seamless integration of JavaScript expressions within JSX, along with the ability to conditionally render elements and apply styles, makes it an invaluable tool for building dynamic and interactive web applications. As you become more familiar with React, you will find that JSX is an intuitive and efficient way to describe your UI. That's all for this session. Thank you.